I used to help my girlfriend set up these exact types of communication. I'm talking about 5 specific apps that create completely hidden conversations with someone else. And I can guarantee at least one of these apps is already sitting on her phone right now. Stay tuned until the end. Bikai app number 4 is the one that 90% of wives and secret relationships use, and it's usually disguised as something completely innocent on her device at this moment. Before I reveal these 5 apps, I need a small favor. Hit that subscribe button so you'll know exactly what to look for when she downloads her next innocent app. Smash that like button and tell me in the comments, what city are you watching from? I want to see how many men worldwide are dealing with this same digital deception. Now, let's get into these hidden apps. The first app, hiding entire AFA conversations, is one you'd never guess. Most men think looking at her text messages and call history is enough. Booty was the one helping my girlfriend set up these exact same tools. While Yorubasi, checking WhatsApp or Instagram, she could be running full conversations and apps you've never heard of. These apps are chosen on purpose because they look innocent. Every download is a calculated move to create untraceable. Hidden app number 1, Signal, the work security disguise. The first app that makes conversations in this is Signal, which pretends Tobe, a professional security tool. She'll claim it's for secure work chats or family communication. But Signal's disappearing messages feature mean secret conversations can vanish in 24 hours, 8 hours, or even 5 minutes. She'll say it's about digital security, and most husbands even feel proud their wife is being so responsible. But beneath that professional appearance lies the real trick. Signal prevents screenshots and entire messages vanish, leaving nothing behind. Smart women even set up fake family or work groups as a cover, while the real chats with Theo the person are hidden in privatized threads that disappear. I've seen women use this excuse for months, saying it's a book club or work tool, while in reality, it was the channel for coordinating secret meetings, complete with detailed plans that elicit. Watch closely. If she has Signal but never shows actual work conversations, those invisible messages are going elsewhere. And here's the shocking part. The next app is used by 95% of women involved in immoral affairs, and it's probably already installed on her phone, disguised as something totally innocent. Hidden app number 2, Google Photos with hidden albums, the family pictures cover. The scanned app that enables secret communication is Google Photos, specifically through its hidden albums that don't show up in the normal. She'll say it's for organizing family pictures and saving, but those hidden albums allow her to trade private photos and even share location data without ever sending in obvious text. She builds trust by visibly organizing family albums you can see while hiding entire sets of images in invisible folders. She can take our eyes at secret meeting spots, and the GPS data embedded in the picture tells him exactly where she is. Some even go further, sharing private albums directly, swapping photos, location confirmants, and screenshots of other conversations, all through what looks like an innocent family app. I've seen women use Google Photos for months as a coordination tool, taking a quick selfie in the office bathroom before leaving, then another near the meeting place, confirming she's on her way. All stood in albums her husband never knew existed. If she's taking more pictures, but you're seeing fewer in her gallery, those missing images are being hidden. Hidden app number 3, Spotify with private playlists. The music hobby. The third hidden communication is Spotify, using private elaborate playlists and voice messages most people don't even know exist. She'll tell you she's suddenly obsessed with music discovery, spending hers making playlists and wearing headphones. But behind that passion, coded messaging, she and the other person can add songs with suggestive "Meet Me at Midnight" or "Secret Love Song" as signals. Spotify even allows short voice memos within playlists, and some take it further, biasing private podcast uploads disguised as music reviews, but actually fill it with secret voice notes. I've seen cases where couples build dozens of playlists, each tied to different aspects of their secret relationship. Coffee shop vibes, fur meeting spots, late night feelings, fur emotional messages, and road trip songs for getaway plans. If her music taste shifts suddenly or seems oddly specific, that might not be her taste at all. It might be someone else's influence. And if you thought Thosathory was sneaky, wait until app number. This is the 90% of wives, swin. They take things to the next level. And here's the crazy part. Most husbands sexually encourage them to download it. Hidden app number 4, Uber or Lyft with multiple accounts. The work transportation cover. The fourth app that makes physical meets possible is ride-sharing services like Uber or Lyft, especially when she creates multi-plican. She'll explain it's for work expense tracking or separating business and personal rides, which sounds smart and organized, so you'll probably think it's responsible. She even show you legitimate receipts. But the second account is for secret trips, rides to hidden meeting places that never appear in the main account history. Some even coordinate their ride times to match the person's schedule perfectly, using location sharing to time their arrivals. I've seen women keep this up for over a year, writing to secret districts during supposed overtime, then switching gags to head home with shopping bags to prove their story. If she's suddenly obsessed with expense organization or talks about multiple transportation acts, that could be her cover for scrap rides. Hidden app number 5, banking and finance apps like Venmo or Pay. The personal finance cover. The fifth tool that sustains affairs is payment apps like Venmo or PayPal used for hidden money transfers. She says about being responsible with small expenses, splitting costs with friends, or tracking purchases. But those separate accounts let her pay for hotels, dinners, or gifts without charges showing up on your joint statements. She can even receive money from the other person to share costs. And the trick goes deeper. Venmo has social descriptions. So small payment scary coded notes like coffee was greater, can't wait next time, which look innocent to outsiders but carry I've seen entire secret financial systems built this way. Every transaction telling the real story of a relationship disguised as friendly payments. If she suddenly cares about new finance apps or starts making plain transactions, that's worth paying attention to. And here's the most disturbing truth. When she's running 3 or more of these apps at once, it's no coincidence. Each one is a deliberate step to build untraceable channels with someone else. Your peace of mind matters more than her digital privacy, and your relationship deserves a penis, not secrecy. Because when Simone feels the need to juggle 5 different hidden communication methods, the choice has already been made. Deceiving you is worth the effort. Their whole question isn't which app she's sussing, but whether you're ready to face what all these secret systems really. If these hidden app exposures opened your eyes to what might be happening on her phone, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my daily breakdowns of digital deception. Smash the like button if this helped you spot suspicious behavior, and drop a comment sharing your own experience. Have You noticed any of these apps mysteriously showing up on her.